Famous for its beautiful beaches and natural beauty, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh is fully prepared to host the 11th International Day of Yoga. The main event will take place at the RK Beach in Visakhapatnam. This year's Yoga Day will be grand and unique in many ways. Prime Minister Modi will participate in the main event and perform yoga. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu will also join him at the event. To make this celebration historic, the state government is making special arrangements. Under the Yoga Andhra initiative, the government is preparing to set a world record by organizing a mass yoga session with 5 lakh people on the beachside RK Beach Road.
The special thing about this event is that this will be participated by 500,000 people, which will be a world record. Earlier record was 165,000, 1,65,000. So it will surpass that record.
A green carpet has been laid on the road in front of the main stage. Large LED screens have been installed all around so that people can follow the 45-minute yoga protocol easily. Representatives from several countries will be participating in the grand celebration. Additionally, students from 20 countries currently living in India will also be joining the yoga event. Yoga sessions will also be held on board Indian Navy ships, where officers and personnel will participate. Residents of Visakhapatnam are equally excited and proud that their city is hosting this year's celebration.
We are very proud and very happy about that. At least 5 to 10% growth will come for us, especially for the Visagians.
We are celebrating the International Yoga Day. We have completed the 10 years, 11th year is coming.
This year's theme for International Yoga Day is Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Yoga has had a positive impact both in India and around the world. To make this year's Yoga Day memorable, 10 special initiatives have been planned under the celebration. These include Yoga Sangam, Yoga Park, Yoga Unplugged, Harit Yoga, among others. The flagship initiative this year is Harit Yoga, under which yoga events will take place at 1 lakh locations across India, and a tree will be planted under the initiative Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. People will also be educated about mission life. On International Day of Yoga, yoga events will also be held at UNESCO World Heritage Sites as well as at all prominent historical monuments across India.
So the stage is all set here in Vizag for the International Day of Yoga 2025, where many records are expected to be broken when thousands of people will come together and perform yoga. Yoga is the new one, and it provides the harmony between the mind and the body. Everyone today is making yoga as part of their everyday lives. With camera person Gaurav Giri, this is Siddharth Bharadwaj reporting for DD India in Vizag.